Hello everyone, this is your host, your dost Amna, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please do subscribe and press the bell icon because this is your ultimate 10th grade study hub. So, बिना time waste करे, let's get started. First of all, understand that 95% in class 10th कोई पहाड़ तोड़ने जितना difficult नहीं है. All you need is consistency and smart work. So, the first and the foremost tip is stay consistent. क्लास 10th में 95% लाने के लिए फ्रॉम स्टार्टिंग यू डू नॉट नीड टू स्टडी फॉर 7 to 8 hours. ऑल यू नीड इज टू स्टडी कंसिस्टेंटली फॉर 2 to 3 hours जिसमें तुम हर सब्जेक्ट को इक्वल इंपॉर्टेंस यानी इक्वल टाइम दे रहे होगे. And with that you will be able to cover most of the syllabus and revise what all you learned in class to make that concrete. So now what you need to do is that even if on the days तुम tired feel कर रहे हो or you do not want to study, you still have to study if only for 1 hour at least. So you need to do that ताकि you build momentum और तुम्हारा brain train हो to study even on the days when you do not feel like doing that. The second tip is what I call the resource trap. Now, class 10th में 95% लाने के लिए you do not need to solve questions from 1000 books. All you need to do is depend on one resource, one book. So mostly जब class 10th start होती है, we think that we will need a lot of resources, we will solve a lot of questions, and in the end we accumulate a lot of resources जिसमें से हम सिर्फ 1 or 2 resources use करते हैं और बाकी waste में अरे यार ये वाली बुक ना ऑनलाइन बहुत फेमस है, ये ले लेती हूँ. नहीं यार ये बुक तो ना शर्मा जी के बेटे ने ली थी, ये भी ले लेती हूँ. हाँ नहीं ये वाली बुक तो लास्ट ईयर के टॉपर ने यूज की थी, जरूर हेल्पफुल होगी, ये भी ले लेती हूँ. और ऐसा करते करते ऑल यू हैव इज अ पाइल ऑफ बुक्स जो क्लास 10th खत्म होने पर रद्दी में ही जाने वाला है. So for now depend on one book, one resource, and इसमें से अच्छे से questions practice करो. If you feel like at the end when you practiced all the questions or a good amount of questions from that book and you feel you need more questions, then you can go for other resources. But for now, do not waste your money. And if you want to know which resources, which guides, which reference books you need to buy, then subscribe to the channel because that video is going to come soon. Third, NCERT is your lifeline. So देखो, before going for any other reference book, any other guides, NCERT read कर लो. Highlight the keywords, understand definitions, activities. और अगर तुम ये सोच रहे हो कि मैं NCERT कल कर लूँगी, then you are doing the biggest mistake of your life. क्योंकि तुम्हें भी अच्छी तरह से पता है कि तुम्हारा कल कभी नहीं आता. So all you need to do is if you are learning one concept in the class, तुम उसे ट्यूशन में रिवाइज कर रहे हो, कोचिंग में रिवाइज कर रहे हो, या you are doing it in self study, then read NCERT for that topic alone on the same day. उसमें से understand करो activities को. If you want, you can watch videos that depict these activities and all that. Now, the next and the most important tip of this video is that class 9th is not equal to class 10th. देखो यार, you all know that club CBSE रट्टा बिल्कुल accept नहीं कर रहा. To solve competency based questions, you need to understand the concept. इसीलिए अभी से ही when you sit for studying, understand the concept. Memorize मत करो. Understand what the concept is trying to tell you and how you can apply it in real life. तुम ये ChatGPT वगैरह से तुम research कर सकते हो. And if you want the detailed prompt, then check the description. So this is the most important thing because I wasted almost 2 months of my class 10th thinking that it is the same as class 9th and you just need to do memorization and all that, but it does not help you. And second, from here I would like to say that do not sit and study only at the exam time. हम ये mistake करते हैं and when exams are approaching तुम्हारा syllabus vast है और तुम्हें at the end memorize करना पड़ेगा if you are sitting and studying only at the time of exam. And because of that तुम understand नहीं कर पाओगे concept and you will not be able to solve the questions. इसीलिए from now daily basis पर concept को revise करो and understand what the concept tells you. Then the fifth tip of the video, revision is the key. देखो यार, your brain does not remember unnecessary data. अगर तुम कोई चीज बार बार रिवाइज करते हो देन योर ब्रेन थिंक्स दैट इट इज इंपॉर्टेंट टू रिमेंबर दैट इंफॉर्मेशन, और इसीलिए वो लॉन्ग टर्म मेमोरी में उस इंफॉर्मेशन को स्टोर कर देता है. एंड सो इफ यू वांट दैट इंफॉर्मेशन, दैट कॉन्सेप्ट टू बी कॉन्क्रीट, यू हैव टू रिवाइज डेली. And when I mean revision, I do not mean rereading. I mean active recall. Your brain remembers what it's forced to recall. So active recall karo. And if you want to know how toppers exactly revise, then again subscribe and stay tuned because that video is also coming soon. Now as for तुम जो भी कॉन्सेप्ट अंडरस्टैंड कर रहे हो, तो जो भी कॉन्सेप्ट लर्न कर रहे हो ट्यूशन में, क्लास में, कोचिंग में या सेल्फ स्टडी में, उसे डेली बेसिस पर तुम रिवाइज करते जाओ सो दैट योर ब्रेन स्टोर्स दैट इन्फॉर्मेशन, और नेक्स्ट टाइम तुम जब एग्जाम के टाइम पे उस इन्फॉर्मेशन को पढ़ने बैठो, सो यू डू नॉट नीड टू मेक मच एफर्ट टू रिमेंबर दैट इन्फॉर्मेशन. So that was it for this video. I'm going to give you some honest senior advices. First is focus on your health, darling. See, class 10th में you do not need to take so much stress. Focus on your health, have good nutritious food and most importantly अच्छी नींद लो. Because exam जब पास आते हैं तो fear होता है, then there is a lot of syllabus to complete और उसकी वजह से तुम्हारी नींद almost 4 to 5 घंटे ही रह जाती है. And because of that you are not able to focus on your concepts और उसकी वजह से तुम्हारी मेंटल हेल्थ भी बहुत ज़्यादा खराब हो जाती है. Now second thing is that do not take stress. I know class 10th में you will have a lot of people who are going to have expectations from you, your parents, your teachers, relatives, society, everyone. But do not take stress. तुम्हें अगर लगे you are having too much stress, then have a hobby that you can pursue. Take small breaks when you are studying. Focus करो, consistent रहो, and you will be able to do it. This was all for today, and if you like these tips, please like the video if you found it helpful. And also if you want subject specific strategy या तो reference books के बारे में तुम्हें जानना है, or you want to know about revision and study schedule, then subscribe to the channel and stay tuned because those videos are coming soon for you all. Until then, take care. Bye bye.
Dance with me.
Back and forth.